Hi everyone, back here for another video. Here is the Samsung Z Flip 6. And here is my old Samsung Tab S8. And I can do this. This is possible because of the multi-control feature in Samsung devices. I know this feature is not new because this was available since One UI 5, but I'm a long-time iPad user and I wish my iPad and iPhone can do this too. Okay, this exists in the Apple world, but only between Mac and iPad through Universal Control. So how do I use this? First, I turn on multi-control on both devices. I'm already signed in the same Samsung account and I use the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. I can then connect to my Flip 6. Once connected, I can adjust the position of my phone and mine is now on the left side. I already have the keyboard connected and I can also connect a Bluetooth mouse for ease of use. And I only need to connect the mouse to the Tab S8. Now I can simply move my mouse to my Flip 6 and I can control the phone with the mouse and type with the keyboard, which both are connected only to my Tab S8. So I can reply to chats on my phone, create notes, and also go back to my Tab S8 for whatever work I need to do. I can also use this to transfer videos or photos because, surprisingly, the Samsung Cloud does not include photos. Samsung chose to use OneDrive to sync photos and I don't want to use it. So this multi-control is one way I can use to transfer files between my Samsung devices. But even with the multi-control turned off, it is still possible to use the Tab S8's keyboard with the Flip 6 because of the wireless keyboard share feature on this book cover keyboard. See this icon on the Tab key? That is the option to switch devices. And to switch, I press Function plus Tab. And now we see the pop-up message that says keyboard input will be sent to my Flip 6. And now I can type on the Flip 6 using the book cover keyboard. I press Function plus Tab again, and now the keyboard input is sent back to my Tab S8. And obviously, I can type here as well. This keyboard sharing or switching works by pairing the Flip 6 and the Tab S8. Here's what I mean. As long as Bluetooth is switched on both my Flip 6 and the Tab S8, I just then need to press Function plus Tab and it will start the pairing mode. I just need then to type in the pairing code, which is shown on the screen, and even if I don't see anything being typed, I just trust that it works. Then I need to click on the pair button on both devices to complete pairing mode. Then I can type away on either my Flip 6 or Tab S8 and only use this Samsung book cover keyboard. So Apple, why is this not possible on the iPad, iPhone, and the Magic Keyboard that is so expensive? Well, I think only Tim can tell. So that's it. Thanks for watching.